Hi guys, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video I will teach you how to make your Snapchat private. So if you are on the public profile on the Snapchat and you want to make your Snapchat account private, how you can do it, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application. Once you will do it, log into your account. On the left top you will see profile icon, click on it. Now you have to scroll up and you have to search for the my public profile, click on it, and your public profile is here. On the right top you will see three dot icon, click on it, and here you can see delete public profile and click on the delete. Once you will do it, your profile will automatically convert it to the private profile. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.